Question to you guys. Hormozi, as you guys know, was running gym launch and, running gyms. And last year, he did $100 million in 72 hours, right? In cash collected, selling books, by the way, and coaching and a community. What does he have in common with Shelby right now, who's doing $5 million a month, helping women become sales professionals or closers for high ticket services? What do they have in common with maybe someone like Elon Musk? I don't know, you guys can't see it. I'm gonna pull it up on this side of things so you guys can see it. What do they have in common with Grant Cardone or Chamath Palihapitiya, uh, who used to be working at Facebook, became a billionaire, and now launched 8090, which is a coding platform for enterprise companies. It's essentially the Cursor, the Claude Code, but for enterprises. What do all these businesses have in common, or these entrepreneurs, who are, by the way, printing money? They're like some of the most successful. Let's go on Elon Musk profile. Um, 1 hour ago, 22 minutes ago, 54 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, 1 hour ago, 3 hours ago, 16 hours ago. Oh, by the way, last week he was a trillionaire. Let's go on Chamath. Made $4 billion like a few months ago from the exit of one of the companies that he had invested in, which is Grok, which is the chip manufacturer. They figure out a new architecture for chips. So they essentially help platforms or AI models do inference faster. So it helps you get an answer faster, right? They sold it for $20 billion to Anthropic. We can go to Hormozi if you guys want, or Grant. If you go on Grant's profile, all everyone here does that I just walked you guys through, they're just flooding. They're posting so much. They're posting so much that you'd think that it's almost like, whoa, why would someone who makes hundreds of millions of dollars a year be yapping all day, every day about what they sell, about themselves? Like, why? She can spend money on ads. She's spending money on ads. Shelby, they're probably spending multiple six figures, if not $1 million a month on ads, right? Why do you guys think they're posting, guys, in the chat? Why suddenly has it become a volume game, right? Well, let me show you guys a quick transformation so that this all makes sense. We had a client. So we have a client who, I'll show you guys, 6 months ago, 8 months ago, had launched his ever first ad campaign. So he was a full-time engineer, and he came to us. He wanted to launch an AI agency, and we picked a niche for him. We launched ads for him. He launched his first campaign on the 20th of November, booked his first 2 sales calls, which is really sick. I wish when I was starting out, I could just, have a way to have content, like put an ad out there, spend money on ads, a few, $20 a day on ads, and get my first calls. And he closed his first client so he launched in, what is this? This is October. In November 6th, he closed his first client. Nothing crazy, right? 2.5K. I think he collected like a few $100 up first, and then the rest later. How does someone go from this year to April doing $10,000, from 10K a month to 10K a week, to closing one client here for 2,500 on the 5th, 30 minutes later getting another first client to pay him 2,500. He's selling to people who sell he's in the insurance niche. So he doesn't have the prospect that he's selling to don't necessarily have a lot of budget and a bunch of money. So he's comfortable at this 2,500 price. I do think it's cheap, but that's another story. And then essentially just consistently just collecting payments after payments. Well, it's not because of ads per se. Okay. What he's figured out is all he does on his Instagram is he posts maybe once a day, twice a day, a specific 31-minute video, right? Clip every day. And the thing that he's trying to figure out is, can I post a reel and have that reel be pushed by the algorithm And if I even get like a slight confirmation that it's reaching the right people, then I amplify it with ads. He spent $1,000 on ads in a single month, generated 300 new followers, and reached out to all the new followers, all the people that engaged with him, and converted them into appointments. So he converted like 10% of them into appointments, 29 sales calls, 19 showed up, made a pitch to 15 of the people that showed up, and closed 12 new clients from $1,000 in spend. Okay. This here is why every single figure who's doing infinitely better in the current landscape, it doesn't even matter, by the way, if it's in the online space or you're selling insurance or you're selling roofs or you're selling whatever. If you do not have a way to take advantage of this new world of marketing, which is just understanding that content is the funnel, then you're not going to make it. You're simply not. There's no amount of outreach and ad spend that you can put into the algorithm or in effort and time that will make you profitable to the point that you truly become financially free.